Hey there, aspiring millionaires. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial success? Today, I'm going to share with you the 10 simple steps to becoming a millionaire in just 2 years. Yes, you heard that right. So, grab a pen and paper because we're about to embark on a life-changing journey. Step 1. Mindset Mastery. Becoming a millionaire starts with the right mindset. It's time to kick self-doubt to the curb and embrace a mindset of abundance, resilience, and positivity. Believe that you deserve to be wealthy and success will follow. Step 2. Set clear goals. Setting clear and achievable goals is crucial on your millionaire journey. Write down your financial targets, break them into smaller milestones, and track your progress. Visualize yourself living your dream life and watch your goals become a reality. Step 3. Find your passion. Passion is the fuel that will propel you towards success. Discover what you truly love doing and turn it into a financially rewarding venture. When you're passionate about your work, it doesn't feel like work at all. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Step 4. Develop multiple streams of income. Relying on a single income source is just too risky. Diversify your income streams by investing in stocks, real estate, or starting a side hustle. By creating multiple avenues for money to flow in, you'll accelerate your journey to millionaire status. Step 5. Master the art of saving. Saving money is as important as making money. Cut unnecessary expenses, create a budget, and stick to it religiously. Every penny saved brings you closer to your millionaire goal. Step 6. Invest wisely. Put your money to work for you. Educate yourself about different investment options, seek advice from professionals, and make informed decisions. Smart investments can provide you with exponential returns and fast-track your journey to millionaire status. Step 7. Network like a pro. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and push you to be the best version of yourself. Attend networking events, join online communities, and establish meaningful connections. Remember, your network is your net worth. Step 8. Continual learning. Education doesn't end with a degree. Invest time in expanding your knowledge, reading books, listening to podcasts, and attending seminars. Continually learning will keep you ahead of the game and open doors to new opportunities. Step 9. Embrace failure as a stepping stone. Failure is not the end, it's a stepping stone. Embrace your failures, learn from them, and keep pushing forward. Remember, even the most successful millionaires have faced setbacks. It's how you bounce back that counts. Step 10. Give back. As you accumulate wealth, never forget the power of giving back. Use your resources to make a positive impact in the lives of others. Generosity attracts abundance and completes the circle of success. And there you have it, my friends, the 10 simple steps to becoming a millionaire in just 2 years. Remember, becoming a millionaire is not just about money. It's about the journey, the growth, and the impact you make along the way. Stay focused, stay resilient, and believe in yourself. Now, go out there and make your dreams a reality.